What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you. And today we are about to make some press-on nail. When I say some slick press-on nail, yes, we are about to do it. So easy, so nice. You don't have to go to the nail tech again. You don't have to. You do your own nails. So what I'm doing right now, I am buffering off the shyness of the nails, and I did that to all 10 of the nails. Why we want to do that? We want to make sure the shyness is off so that the gel polish have something to grip on. So I did that to all 10 of the nails, and I take off the little piece at the front as well because they have a little thing, plastic thing to the front, and we want to get that off as well. Guys, if you don't subscribe yet, hit that subscribe button for me and turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop a next cute video. Okay, welcome to Nail Monday. So I come up with some name. I like, okay, probably I can name my video Nail Monday and my hair Wednesday. So yeah, and in between the others videos, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. You don't want to skip this process. You really don't want to skip it because it is very important. Okay, after buffering all 10 nails, what I did, I used some rubbing alcohol, and I just rub off all 10 of them. Take off that little excess dust. Now what I'm using, my base coat, and I'm going to base coat all 10 nails. What I did, I slowed down one and I speed up the others because I don't want to bore you guys with the same thing, which I know a lot of you guys would love to see me doing everything at normal time, but yeah, I wouldn't sit down myself and watch a video that boring me. I did, like, yeah. Oh my god. So yes, that's what I'm doing now. And I put that to cure for 60 seconds. See, now I'm speeding up the others. I take off that one because that one going to have a nice good design. That one going to have the stone design. So, and these now we're going to do plain polish. So I'm using this polish, guys. I love it so much. Like, I don't know why, but I just love this polish. And I give all 10 fingers 2 coats. You want to make sure you go to the sides, not got the side running over, like to get the nail more broader than the normal side. We want to get to the sides, and we want to get like every little thing nice and slick. We're trying to do it like we go to the nail tech, right? Yeah. All you want to do is put a nice thin layer on the nail. Just make sure that it's don't buggy and so. And I will put everything I use in the description box. Okay, I'm using this color, guys. I thought this was white. I still think it is white. I don't know what color it be. It look half white. It look kind of blue. Well, whatever. When it come out, it look close to white. So we play with nail polish. We're playing with everything to get a cute design. Practice make perfect. And we did the same thing to the other hand. And we put it to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm putting my second coat. So now I get this butterfly. I will put it in the description of Amazon. They are a little bit hard to use, but if you practice how to use it, you will get it. You will get it. All you have to do is put it in some water and then put it on the nail and then put top coat. And that butterfly have nowhere to go. And it is so cute. So we just doing some simple nails, like simple but flawless, you know? Yeah. So after I did that, I top coat all 8 fingers. And then we put the border, and then I put the border them to cure for I think 60. I think I put it to cure about 2 minutes. The longer is better, so I just put it to cure. Okay, now I was using glue, and then I switch from the glue and I go ahead and I use the top coat because my glue was drying too fast. So we put in stone all over the fingers to fill it and look slit and nice. Yeah, I speed it up, guys, because if I had leave it on the normal time, you guys would sit here for longer than how you guys would sit here, because it was a little bit of hustle to take up the stones. So yes, I will put it in the description, the stone that I was using, but at the end of the day it comes out so cute. So all we doing here is to fill the nail with stone. And the thing is, when you use the top coat or the base coat, any one of them to put on the stone, you can move it around and fix it before it dry. When you use the glue, wherever you put it, that's where it be. So let's think about to stop using the glue to put on my stones. And trust me, these stones are still on my finger. They don't fall off or anything. So this is it, and I did the both of them. It does fit it. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. I really appreciate it 100%. I appreciate it so much. Only God knows. Guys, I'm home. I didn't have a job. I don't have a job, and I'm home not doing anything. And I say, you know what? Let me just start a YouTube channel instead of to be home and be depressed. Let me just start a YouTube channel. And trust me, this is the best thing I ever do, because I just love to see my subscriber growing. I just love to see the support I get. I just love to see the little interaction with me and my peoples. And yes, it keep me going, and it let me want to do more videos, and I will come up with ideas to you guys. I will do a lot of different videos to you guys. So we are about to get split and save our money. Yeah. Guys, give my video a thumbs up so that it will go out to other people and other people can see it, because the thumbs up, it is yeah. Then I put my top coat, and then I put it to cure for about 2 minutes, and this is the after everything is cured. So now I'm just going to do some, I don't know, some little design. I don't remember what this design called. I think it's zebra, I don't know, but some design there. And I did it on the figure after the top. I just freestyle this and just do some spots all over. I think that color is gray. No, I don't think it is white. I think it is gray. But whatever that color be, it was stunning. Continue to watch the video. You will see me installing my nail on my finger. All I do is buff my nails and put on and push back my cuticle and put on my nails, and that was it. And I wrap my nail for 2 weeks. You can rock it for as long as they fall off, and then you can take it off, and then you can put it back on, and you can use your nails over and over. That's a good thing about press on nail. So thank you guys for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. So have a good afternoon, good day, whenever you watch this video. I want to big up on yourself.